How to delete WeChat moment post. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your WeChat moment post. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. On this page, you will see various icons at the bottom of the screen. Click on that contacts icon next to chat and you will be taken to this page. Select your profile and you will reach here. Here you will see the moments option. Here at the right side, you will see a little arrow. Click on it and on this page you will find all your moment posts. Now to delete the one, you will have to click on it. You will reach to this page. Here at the top you will find three dots. Click on the three dots and below some options will pop up. From there you can see the delete option. Click on delete. Confirm it by clicking on this OK button, or you can also delete it by clicking on this details option on the same page at the bottom, and here you will see the dustbin box here. Click on it and click on OK, and there you go. You have successfully deleted WeChat moment post. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.